A flawless finish should never be hard to maintain, especially after investing time and effort into a ceramic coating. This advanced silicon oxide hybrid waterless wash and detail spray was developed after years of research to support modern paint protection systems while delivering impressive gloss and safe cleaning in one simple step. From the first wipe, the surface feels smoother, looks deeper, and reflects light with a clean, high-gloss shine. Designed to work in perfect harmony with ceramic coatings, this formula helps preserve the intended behavior of coated surfaces without interfering or causing unwanted reactions. Unlike traditional detail sprays, it enhances slickness and clarity while gently lifting light dirt, dust, and fingerprints. It also performs exceptionally well on non-coated or waxed vehicles, making it a versatile solution for mixed garages and professional detailing environments. The ultra-concentrated formula allows flexible dilution ratios depending on your needs, from a waterless wash to a gloss-enhancing detail spray. One bottle can be diluted to create a large volume of ready-to-use solution, offering excellent value and long-term usability. It applies evenly, wipes off cleanly, and can even be used in direct sunlight without leaving swirl marks or residue when used with quality microfiber towels. This detail spray works safely on a wide range of exterior materials, including painted surfaces, rubber trim, plastic components, and chrome. It will not stain or discolor sensitive areas, making it ideal for quick touch-ups or full exterior maintenance. The result is a clean, glossy finish that keeps vehicles looking freshly detailed with minimal effort. Developed by CarPro, a trusted name in advanced car care solutions, this product reflects a commitment to performance, precision, and paint safety. The production date printed on the bottle ensures transparency and freshness, helping users confidently manage their detailing supplies. If you are looking for a reliable way to maintain shine, cleanliness, and coating performance, check the product link in the video description to learn more and make your purchase. Subscribe to the channel for more high-quality detailing products and practical tips to keep your vehicle looking its best year-round.